All right. This is going to be a quick video. Uh, this is what we have to go through as an Airbnb owner. So I've been using this basic Amazon lag for the past 2 years. There's nothing to complain about it. It's a great lag. The only thing is it is not a smart lag, and I have to be there every time it gets checked out to change the code, and this is inconvenient. And I'm upgrading to this Yale lag, smart lag. So hopefully I can do this on the fly. You know, um, go to the app using my cell phone and upgrade the codes, things like that. And I can even have Airbnb to do it for me on the platform without doing anything. The good thing about Airbnb is most of the things are automated. There's no reason for you to be enslaved of a listing where you gotta be there to do everything. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm upgrading from this basic lag to this smart lag. Hopefully I'll be able to document and show you how I do this. And it's supposed to be straightforward. I've changed like before, so let's wait and see. All right, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this, and then let's see. All right. All right, so like you can see, Yale sent this with batteries, right? Now, instead of using those batteries, I'm going to use my rechargeable batteries that I bought from Amazon, and this is a box. What I'll do is I'll put my rechargeable batteries whenever they're low. I'll remove them and put this one, recharge them, and replace it again. With that, I will never have to buy batteries, probably in the next 3, 4, 5 years, hopefully. So that's the idea, not to buy batteries all the time. Battery is supposed to last 3 months on this device. We don't know.